Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and then give it a big thumbs up. Today, I'm going to be making slime. Just kidding. We're going to be making slime. And if you're wondering who we are, here are the people. We have Diamond, Kiana, my sister, and Justice, my other cousin. So while we're finna get situated, we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Grandma has some.
So we're pouring our glue. We're each trying to get half of one glue. So me and Justice are going to get
it's gonna have to.
And these two are going to get that glue. So let me finish pouring this glue.
Y'all not even trying to miss. Scoot yours over. That's enough. Scoot yours over. Here it is. Come on. Oh. Dang.
Let's add our activator.
You got some counters tonight.
Not really. Oh my
You
goodness.
got a lot.
Mine's is, you trying to scrape my glue. That's only a lot because mine's is halfway on my plate and halfway
How are
on
we
the
doing? We should have used bowls. This is stupid.
Okay. Messy slime.
Put mine up here. Stir
No, what do I stir it with my fingers?
Just use your fingers.
What do I do?
Just mix it.
Okay.
Mine's ain't gonna be able to be on this plate, man. I'm feeling getting gooey. Yeah. It's blocking this.
Can't I need some more space below?
You better get it. Okay, we'll be back when it's all done. Okay, so we're back and we activated our slimes and comment down below which slime do you think is the best.
Mine is Team Shiny, Team Dime.
I'm Team Purple and you're Team Gold. So we're going to do a little test to see so y'all can see which one's the best. So, clicking. She just went one at a time.
Yeah, let's go one at a time.
Alright, you can go first, Team Shiny.
Team Shiny, go first.
Okay, my turn.
Well, this is going to end that video.
Okay, we can use